Tatlong division yan.
5, 6 at 7. Yes. 5, 6 at 7.
So we are agents from NBI, meron din po representatives from CIDG, representatives from media, elected officials. So we are here to implement a warrant of arrest issued by the Sandigan, 5th, 6th, saka 7th Division. For malversation, violation of Section 3, Section 3H of RA 1319, against abuse and child lethal consumption report. This address 28 Ladybug Street, corner Dragonfly, Malinda District, Pasig City. Okay? So, in your presence, we will enter the premises for you also to witness the proper implementation of the warrant. Okay? Do you consent? Do you agree?
Again, sir, we consent only insofar as the warrant of arrest. Any searches na may nagagawa to claim here.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Isa kasing isang recorder for the CIDG recorder.
It's more appropriate.
Everyone is staying.
We stay one
Okay.
group by
One line lang naman, one queue, one lane.
Yes.
No going away, one lane
Wala
lang.
pong gagalaw ng kahit anong.
Yung room, every room. Yan.
Yes.
Malinaw din naman ang bilhin sa amin.
Okay.
Pakilak na lang para sure na walang papasok sa...
Hindi nakakapasok dito.
Hindi pa eh. Sorry. Medyo serious.
Sino may mga phone?
Bigyan natin yung ano para makapasok sa tabi.
Sorry.
Ay, butas oh. Mga nasa taas ang tatago.
Yes, sir.
Ito yung attic.
Yung ilaw attorney kayo.
Staircase po yung going down to the basement.
Okay.
Ito yung sinasabi kong nakatambak na gamit.
Bukas to ah.
Yeah, bukas to.
Bukas to, attorney.
Bukas to.
Mamaport ulit. Patuloy nga ang pag-alagho ng mga taga-NBI kasama ang PNP. Walang certification na gagawin din ito ay plain users lamang para matiyak ang hindi kumakasakit ng mga dito? Wala ba? May sinasabi lang sa dito. Uy, bawal.